Okay, quickly, I just want to throw some light into this video. This this lady, is just applying some toothpaste and cold drinks on her face and showing the world that you'll get a clear skin, you'll get acne-free skin, or whatever it is, whatever she's trying to prove there. Kindly, people, you are smart now. Do not try all these hacks, okay? Applying toothpaste or any cold drinks on your directly into your face can lead to blemishes or hyperpigmentation, making it more worse. If you're having acne marks and then you're trying out these remedies, definitely you're done for it. Your skin is done. So kindly don't use all this, okay? These are just quacks, some YouTubers, some I don't know what are they called as, but they just keep on doing all these stupid hacks, and people just blindly follow that. So do not do this. Kindly, if you have any skin issues, consult a dermatologist and then get treated accordingly. But if you're doing this, you'll be landing up getting blemishes and hyperpigmentation on your face. A lot of dark spots, a lot of, who knows, you may get pimples, acne and everything. All sort of nuisance on your skin because your skin is sensitive, So do not try all this. And I hope you like this video. It's a small video. I just want to create some awareness regarding people here. So in the end, I want to tell one thing, that is eat healthy, stay healthy, only positivity, no negativity until my new video comes. I love you, in a sense. Do be a say. Bye bye.